Hello, I'm Prashant, and today's topic is the effect of oil prices on India. Now, India imports around 85% of its oil prices from the global market, making it the world's third largest importer, with around 4.6 million barrels it had imported per day in 2024. Now, oil imports roughly constitute around 25% of India's total import bill. So it goes on to say that it is a critical factor in the India's trade and its economic stability. Now, the reduction of crude oil prices from $80 to $70 saved India around 17 to 18 billion in import costs. Now, inflation in India decreases 30 to 40% for every 10% reduction in the global crude oil, according to the RBI sensitivity report. Now, their fiscal health is improved as low oil prices reduce the fuel subsidy by around 18%, and like the manufacturing and other industries, heavy petroleum industries, derivatives companies like the Pidilite and all, which like use the petrol for the manufacturing of the product, for like the fertilizer industry, for the plastic industry, for the petrochemical industry, they also have improved margin and they generate better profit due to less oil costs. Now, government plans to increase their storage from 38 million barrels to 60 million barrels in order to gain on this opportunity of the reduced pricing due to the global world affairs such as the war in the Ukraine and Russia, also in the Middle East. Now, also the country's own refining capacity utilization is around 97%. So it is one of the major global market for refining capacity, with companies such as Reliance and others playing a key role in it. So due to this heavy reliance of India on crude oil, the less prices of crude oil are heavily beneficial for us in terms of taxes that we receive, in terms of the industries of ours that are dependent on it. Thank you.